Franam bet me from which you but an uncredited say we Diabo no enkusi.
Because the woman say
Omwa de benya womo because
so that's the point.
Omwa de benya womo
intervening say yes. Omo boy and e dia omo kro mu nim.
Yes.
Omo nim de omo
ye. What jisika bi ato aba.
We dane ne dia save you omo.
Start ya say what jisika bi ato aba. Wo so obi akwaji bi enti wo bodua but what jisika bi ato aba da. Ya ne refie ho.
O say obi anim me. Say me MPP.
Yes.
Na aba na ekoto.
Yes.
Nkrofo aje akwaji sika ekoto ti.
Ba wo MP no ba no wo gi ni sika na wo to ma no. Wo MP ni ba no wo gi ni sika na to ma no. Wo share o ma 100 a wo gi na wo kan na chi asempa. So what are you saying?
What are you talking about?
It is a wonye hwede a ene ba waji bibi kaka utim trans na kaka utim say waji bibi no ato. Emre bi etwam uji sika eto aba. Okobodua.
But uhwe ai article 244.
Yes. Local Government Act no.
Yes, it talks about PM presiding member.
Okay.
Or say the district assembly shall have a presiding member who shall be elected by the assembly.
Okay.
From among its members. The presiding member shall be elected by at least 2/3 majority of all members of the assembly. And of course, the rule as presiding member, no, presiding over the meetings of the assembly, perform such other functions as may be prescribed by law. Intino, abatuo no ni nyina no mabɔ no tofa no say assembly
look
members no you can assembly no in this situation I can want say me according to the law no assembly members elected and government appointees omo na kambo mu eto abai right.
Yes.
Nti 2/3 and also toma no menya sure say in this situation you be can say obi ebe contest here. Also a party ni and sound contest as.
No. It should be apolitical.
Yes. I was say it as well assembly member or a government appointee.
Obetima contest. Say at the end of the day, do na or them who feel say nipa no the message eto mutimu a. Edi enti na o say yesi obi esigina ye.
Okay.
Enti it shouldn't go through.
I'm told say ayi kan DC to be.
Yes. So please. I was say ye did to me for based on competence. Okay. Asokwa Municipal Assembly. Nanaya very competent. So they voted for him. One doesn't need to be aligned with the NDC or the MPP. Antanya to Abanaman. Nipa ni competent. Dodo no feel say obetimi aboa. Ne de ade na man no kom. So if a man council for no if the dodo no feel say one hete the percentage na me wana da no comment me antum po emi. Eti ankan aba no mpo. Ye kan ye. Ena esi de ni hu se nipa no kure. And ye kan ba ni wie. Ehu tu awie ni.
But whichever way it is cry no say the Korea no see nya PM.
Enti esi de na program so bodua. So please they should stop it.
Almost nya de
no. Ene so wo so mu nyina jai. Eti na make say wo bodua no so wonje politician bi asika da. Se bia nipa ne bae me koto me petumi no enti je ebi 100 cedis 50 cedis na odi abomachi dom ebi omo bodua no obi anyi bi sa dade a ene nemu waji bi dade a o wasembo ne po Akoma FM 87 no mimi mo bi da na mimi mo bi da ena me but ya dia woni penifo hia ye omo chichiri anya hwekron number of occasion ye te na nasuma nkwan ne se o chichiri duabom so it is a wajibi da so they say men ko ye on ho say we ye saint because betimi anya wo so enti omonye very very careful.
Okay,
omonye very 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 careful. Omonye very very careful. Ebi a wo from kura no party no kura no sabi o say na unya bibi papa bia so do no do onya no do onya bibi pa wo mu ne kura no o tin ba bi dwen no so na wo waje akata waje ayi akanten so ukowukwa
yemfa mebo
ukowagya wo yire no ma wo ho wo ye oba so
ma bi ba ma nie na oba
ukowu agya wukunu ye de we asi so ebodua den na benya frim sometimes sabio empanifo yema ne benya adwuma o because he
7.9 Kumasi
wo bi he say wo ye MPP ni wo ho a wonya MPP ni nche o party chairman o
amenye sure crowd
wonya nche organizer wonya nche MP no wo ho no adentina MP no anko yes ade no
na uja
wono kwa de as official member.
Oh yeah.
And I wanna watch camera. Seriously, come there, me mama and papa and Mark are so disappointed in them. To be very honest with you. Seriously, I'll be very disappointed in you. Because young people in China will be out. Oh,
but
yes,
on our ready kind.
We're ready kind.
87.9
Adia swase.
Politics no ye you krumu ha say no. Ade ba ko pe na ye nyina ye hwe ni mu se bisi se development den ebe ko so. Sir John, regardless say NDC net so, say MPP net so, me fua me yisika kakra mitimi di ye ni ma bibiri ewo we a. Sir John bi amfa bibia ho bi o. Because ya ba ye betra ye say bi ye sum santemai sum ye wura sum my Ghana. Sir John den ready.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
O ko fie no akɔhwɛ yunkura ne bibie school enche akabe week or two no ma bibie school. You could just school fees. So ɛno ne adwene ho. So man be ko nanim ne adwene ho. And you see we politician na anase bia odi political party bi achi a ɛno na wo se di wanim kan so man na ekosen ansa na party aba. So,
right. Entry Mamintio on this one now.
So John, on man can so issue no there. Me say